right, guys. Hello.
Hello.
You haven't seen me for a while. So I just want to get on here because I'm kind of in a I need a favor mode. So we've had a lot of stuff going on. The cat's going crazy. Eric and Ryan have been extremely busy, and I have been not so much busy, but preoccupied.
Well, things going on.
Things going on. So in January, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and so I've been going through a lot of tests and a lot of different stuff, but I'm going to be going, I've got more tests to go to, or have done, and then I'm going to be starting chemo and possibly surgery after the chemo. So what I need as my favor from you guys is patience with me. I do a lot of special templates for people, and I try to get on them as quickly as I can, and you know, get them done and get them out for you guys. But I'm not going to be quite as quick as I have been in the past, and so I'm just going to ask for a little bit of patience. I've had a couple people snap at me, but they don't know what I'm going through, and they don't know you know, what's going on, and that I am not quite getting. And right now, honestly, I feel great. We're going to beat this thing. My sister's had breast cancer twice. She beat it, and I'm not going to let her beat me at anything. So I have to show her who's boss. So I had a port put in, a little thing right here. It's kind of like a critter under my skin, where I'll be having chemo. And what am I forgetting? What am I?
Well, you know, we just wanted to make this announcement. So we anticipate that we're, as far as orders going out and as far as our normal processes, Ryan and I and little Eric are going to make up the slack, whatever, you know, whatever we need to do. Business is going to go on.
Yeah. And again, you know, the chemo may not bother me at all. Everything might go just perfectly smooth.
Yeah.
I'm just asking that just for a little bit of patience. We will kind of keep you posted as to what's going on. I feel fantastic. I really feel good. You know, I have no symptoms other than a walnut-sized lump in my breast, but you know, we'll get that all taken care of. It's like a third.
One other thing we could
breast.
ask for is prayers wouldn't be.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. You know, if you don't mind all the prayers I can get, I would appreciate. So,
okay.
Anyway, so that's it. I wanted to give you an FYI, let you know what's going on, ask for patience, understanding, and prayers. So, I guess that's about it.
That's it.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Thanks, and please stay positive. We don't need to deal with negative, because
yeah,
it's just part of life. It's the next step.
just one of those things we'll get through. And,
yeah.
We'll fight this thing.
Don't
beat
have
it.
an amputated limb or something.
Yeah.
Thinking on the positive side.
Anyway,
guys, thanks for listening to us. And again, if you have any questions, just let me know. I don't know any more than I'm telling you, basically, right now. So,
yeah.
Thanks. Take care, and
probably keep you updated.
Yeah, we'll keep you updated.
We'll do an update later on.
Yeah.
When we know more.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for listening.
Bye, guys.